So what's up guys, this is Marlikfx. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and on today's video I'll be showing you guys how I missed over 300 pips
Damn!
on XAUUSD. The reason why I missed over 300 pips was because the market didn't get to my point of interest. So I'll show you guys how it went and then give you guys reason for my entry. So let's come over to my screen. So what's up guys, so this is the trade I took on XAUUSD and I missed it. You can see the trade is still playing out. This is a live market. The trade is still playing out, so you can see this was my point of interest at this zone, and then the market refused to count over to my point of interest, reacted from this zone. That was how I missed this 1:4 trade over 500 pips, over 500 pips. So this is crazy because I would have done some crazy amount of money with just this trade. So let me give you guys the reason why I took this, reason why I had this entry and the rest of it. But right now I'm seeing another potential entry for the buy, and I'm going to drop it free on my Signal group. So let's dive right into the main reason why I took this trade. Now if you head on to the weekly time frame, you can see previously that gold has been selling for weeks, which is this. Let me zoom in. All right, you can see gold has been selling for weeks, which is this movement. Has been selling for weeks, you can see. And then what happened this coming week? Last week we had these buys, so I was aware that the sales are over and then we are going to start looking for buys. And now what gave me that confirmation to be sure that the sales are over? If you look over here, you see where the sell came to react from, where the market came to. It's a potential, that zone is a potential support. You can see the potential support. That's where the market reacted on its potential support. And then what happened? As it moves, it also comes back on the demand zone to get more like to get a balance to move to the upside. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Let me explain more in details. Now if you see, this is the 4 hours time frame. All right, I want it big. All right, let me zoom in. So if you see, this is the 4 hours time frame. What have you been saying over here? The market has been coming back to mitigate zones, to buy up, come back to mitigate zones. That's when I'm after this zone. I know that, okay, I was not aware that, yeah, our buys are coming in now. You can see I took this sell because of my strategy and it played out. Then what happened? The buy continued. You can see this buy I took here, I took this buy, and what happened again? It came down to this zone. I seen it. The same thing came to mitigate this zone, and what happened now is currently buying. So I'm still expecting it to give us an entry because we are going to take out this high very soon. I'm going to take out this high very soon. This is not the highest point though. You can see we still have other zones to take out above, but I'm just taking here as more like a zone that is nearer to current market price. You can see this zone is closer to the current market price, but initially, like overall, this is where I'm aiming. 3.5 is where I'm aiming to come to. So if we want to start drawing our basic market structure, if we want to start drawing them from here, you can see we have a high, a low, a high, a low, a high. Then we came back to mitigate this zone, and then we continued a low, a high, a low, and then what's happening here? A high, a low, and then what's happening here? We have a high here. So I'm expecting this market to still drop down, and then we'll still look for more buy entry. Okay, so this is like a basic market structure, but this alone cannot give you reason to enter. But this is like knowing your structure first before you jump into the market. Do you understand? Now, so we head on to the 1 hour time frame. You can see how beautiful this trade played out, how sweet it played out. Can you see? This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. So when I looked from the 1 hour time frame, you can see where it started buying from a potential demand zone, coming back to mitigate this zone after trying to come to the zone multiple times. You can see it over here, coming to tap on the zone multiple times. It rejected, and finally came into it. It filled it, and then it started giving us break of structures, break of structures, break of structures. So we finally took this crazy high here. This high, we took this high with a body, and then I knew the market was coming to give us a sweet entry. So I'm not going to give you guys my confirmation entry and the rest of it because that's what I give on my mentorship group. So August mentorship registration will be starting from next week. Online registration is still going on, and then one-on-one mentorship is still going on. One-on-one mentorship is 300k if you want to learn from me directly. This is I'm going to teach you on a Zoom one-on-one, and if you can also, I'll also like host you physically in my location. So that's how I got this entry, and I also missed it because the market didn't come back to trigger me. And then now, most of you ask, why didn't you jump into the market when you knew, since you knew it's a buy? That is why most of you lose your money. You have to stick to your trading plan. If it does not get to your point of interest, I don't execute. You see why I'm profitable? These are key things you need to know. So most of you will be like, why didn't you hop into the trade when you knew that it was a buy? That's the reason some of you are not profitable. When market did not get to your point of interest, you just decide to hop in. It's very bad. Okay. So don't always think about the positive side of the market. Also think about the negative side of the market because we don't control the market. We don't predict. We react to what the market is giving us. So imagine we enter aggressively on the current market price without waiting for it to get to our buy zone. And then what happened? Maybe let's say after like some few pips, it reversed against us. You'll be like, why didn't I wait? I for wait, those kind of things. So in trading, I don't like I for I missed. Is it that you execute or you did not execute? Is it that you wait or you did not wait? Is that you break your trading rule or you did not break? So you see that mindset of oh, I saw this trade, I would have taken. Oh, this is bad. I would have. I saw this buy, but I left. No, if you not take, you do not take. You missed it. That's why I told you guys I missed the buy trade. Okay, so stop this um trying to console yourself. No, not that's one of my friends. Yeah, I saw the buy. You saw the buy. Did you execute? No, and it's bad. So it's either you execute or you not execute. So there's nothing like, because what is over here, you place your buy, you put your stop loss and you take profit. It's either it's smashed your take profit or it's take your stop loss. That's just it, and you go again. So currently the month of July, we have taken 5 trades on gold on XAUUSD, and we have won 4 and I've taken only 1 loss. So you can see this month is great. We are profitable this month. This month is great. So we are going to end this month on profit. So let's say as we took this buy today, there have been 5 winning trade and 1 loss. But never to worry. It's Marlikfx. I'm going to deliver again. I'll make sure we end this month with lots of profits. You guys know how we do it over here now. You know how we do it. Make sure we end this month with lots of profit. So with that being said, I want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell, because from time to time I'll be doing top down analysis to show you guys how to know when the market has changed the trend. Gold was selling, I was able to spot out when it started buying, like when it changed character, it changed the trend. So I'll help you guys with top down analysis. If you want more knowledge, details about my mentorship is on the description. Hit me up on Telegram or on WhatsApp. I'm going to respond to you. Peace and love.